Okay guys, so I'm at home with Deadly Roots, and like I said, these wires, they're tore in here. It's not the motor, they're actually tore. And I have to replace just the whole top part of the wire. I'm just gonna wire them completely together. Um, so that's why I had to take it home, because I had no wire at Spirit, of course. And then tomorrow I'll bring these, because this is what the Hellfiend needs, because like I said, the I'll show you. Like, see that? On Hellfiend, it's all frayed. There's no plastic left in between. So that's why it doesn't reset. That's why the head doesn't go up. And I'll also bring some big screws just in case the piece breaks off right away. So, or I guess some nails or something. And these are thicker wires, so what the heck? Um, what the heck? Here, just a minute. Yeah, it's crazy how thin these wires are. Like, the smallest setting on this wire stripper can't even strip it, because that's how thin these wires are. And that's not good. I don't even know how the wires even tore. They weren't even actually that tight. Like, they weren't pulling even. So if they tore just like that, then you know those are bad wires. And then when I get this fixed, I'll make a review of it tomorrow morning. And a setup video. It'll be, well, it'll be all in one, setup and review. Yeah, he's turned on. I just have his volume off.
Now get out before you become
Okay. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Okay. I don't want to burn my thumb again. That hurt. When I was fixing this at Spirit, I grabbed the soldering iron. I wasn't even looking. I just grabbed it. Oh my god. I can't believe I don't even have a blister. I will say this, every day I get more and more annoyed of the creepy roaming bear. I'm starting to really get annoyed by the soundtrack. I'm just starting to hope the speaker blows out, but I know it won't because those ones have a big speaker. I don't know. I was like wanting to get all the roaming props, but that one, I don't know. That one just gets too annoying. I don't like that violin music at all. And its voice just, I don't know. I don't like it. It gets so annoying. And I know that that's exactly the reason why it doesn't sell very well. No one buys that thing until the 50% off sale. I know that's off subject to this, but it's, I don't know. I'm just trying to talk about something to keep you guys watching and entertained, I guess. I don't have any electrical tape here. Well, we'll just split them like that, though. And if it still doesn't work, then I don't know. But it should, because when I tested this bottom part on the new face, it worked. So, that's how I know the board is still good. It's still not. Is it literally the motor? But it was working fine. And I know these wires aren't bad, because like I said, when I tried those wires on the other face, it worked fine. Don't you dare. Piece of shit. Well, that's not good. Wow. It is. It's the motor. It's been the motor the whole time. But why did it work that in that one part of the other video that I did? Because it was going fast too. I guarantee that the ones that started smoking or caught on fire was caused by the mouth motor. Because that's what happened with one of our swinging scarecrows last year. Remember, same company. But this one's motor completely gave out. I bet they didn't give this thing the proper resistors. If that's what's going on with these, they probably didn't give them the right resistors or something. I don't know. And no way in hell am I going to figure that out. Because I don't know anything about resistors. That motor's weak. I don't really have good motors, though. That's the problem. A lot of them are broken.
These ones are private. The longer you linger here, the shorter your life will become. Now get out before you become permanently.
That one's like... I can tell that motor has a short in it by the way it was doing that.
I'm the tree that bears forbidden fruit. One bite of me and your soul is mine.
That needs oil. This will probably have to be the one I use, though. Well, I gotta open up that gearbox then. Well, that's too bad. I replaced that wire for nothing now. At least it's got thicker wire, though. I could have sworn that it was a wire, though, because it's just weird that it happened to work just fine when I tested it at one point in the other video, and then it doesn't work at all. That doesn't really make sense to me. This one's stripped, I think. Oh man, Spirit and their cheap ass quality screws.
Just the strength of a 1,000-year-old tree can crush an acorn as easily as I can crush your
What the?
skull.
Okay. Is that the right size motor? Looks like it. I can't believe that died, unless there's some broken resistors. Watch, now it'll work when I connect it.
When I find the trespasser, I can do whatever I want with them. Maybe I'll start by tearing you limb from limb.
Surprisingly, no. I don't know what happened with this motor.
Trespasser. These ones are
Well, it's a done deal, though.
here. The shorter your life will become. Now get out before you become permanently rooted here.
Look, these are gonna have gears that split in them someday.